Hell yeah.
Yo, so what's good? If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, subscribe to YouTube, all that good stuff, right? So this is just gonna be a quick review of a tool. So I know on my YouTube and on my Instagram, I do more of clippers and stuff like that. I don't really do other reviews. So I'm gonna start doing quick reviews, all right? So this is a quick review of a product from Tru Barber. I ordered some things. I ordered 2 of their new brushes that we will be reviewing. And then I ordered the razor holder and then a neck duster. But what we reviewing is the Tru Barber comb brush multitasking. It's a multifunctional for all types of hair, kid-friendly, professional quality, durable, lightweight design. So I've been using this for a few days. If you've been following me on Instagram, you've seen I posted a story, and I just want to tell you about it. I like this. I like the ideal of this product, right? This is great because you're brushing, right? You're brushing, you fading, right? You get a little thicker hair, boom, switch it over, you got the comb, right? You comb, fading. I do like this. I do wish the only 2 slight sides to it is, and this is more or less personal, it's like a nitpicky thing. This is the best thing I've used as far as brushing, combing, in the sense of when you busy, right? Got something in your hand. I don't know how many of you, but I can't cut without at least a comb and a brush in my hand, in my left hand, right? So when I'm fading or I'm laying her down, I'm always doing something. This right here is perfect for having in your hand because you never have to question what you have in your hand because you have the comb and the brush in your hand. Only thing is with me, and again, this is personal. This is like the best thing, but it's personal because of what I'm used to using. I am used to when I'm fading or doing what I do. Of course, I use combs, but this is the brush that I usually use when I'm tapering, fading, or anything. It's small, it fits in. I have chubby fingers, but I have little hands, right? In the sense of when I'm doing what I do. This is just a little bit longer. So, and finding the right grip on it is funny to me, right? Of course, you hold it here, combing wise, you good. Sometimes when you brushing, you holding the brush, you just gotta find that holding angle with your hand because sometimes this just digs into your hand. But now, I let other barbers use it in the shop and they liked it. They like the length of it. It's longer. Some of them are used to using actual brushes while they are doing what they do, right? Me, I'm used to this. After you get used to this though, you probably won't put this down. Like you're probably gonna always have this in your hand. I promise you this is worth every little dollar that they are charging, right? The comb part, I do wish they had like a comb with closer teeth because once you get to the shorter hair, not my hair is short. You don't need a comb or nothing for this, right? But once you get to a little bit shorter hair and you want to get everything combed down, on some textures of hair, it's just further apart on the teeth. I don't make combs, so I don't know, but if they had some where it's a little bit pushed in just a little bit, it would be better. But this is a great invention. It's always the smallest things that when somebody make it, you just be like, damn, I could have thought of that. You couldn't have, because you didn't. So you couldn't have. All right. I said it too when I opened it up. I'm like, I could have thought of that, but obviously I can't. It took somebody at Tru Barber to come up with it. Is this worth your money? Is this worth the buy? 1000% yes. If you have the chance, make sure you go to Tru Barber and buy this brush. I was about to say clipper. I'm so used to saying buy this clipper. Buy this brush, comb, multifunctional tool. All right? Tell them Reggie sent you. You won't get anything, and you actually can't even tell them that I sent you. There's nowhere on their website to say Reggie sent me, but go get you one. Tru Barber. And get everything else while you're there as well. All right? Get everything else while you're there. Why not? Just get a whole package. Because when you order, they like Amazon. When you order one thing, they're gonna put in a little package down at the bottom. It's gonna say, also, you might want to do this. And a person like me, when I seen also, I was like, shit, also, get it. So, boom, Tru Barber.